Hi there! We are going to look through GiniMachine for credit scoring, also called GCredit. This video will explain the process of working with the software from A to Z, including data preparation, data analysis, and decision making. So, let's get started. First, let's look at how to use it. GCredit features a no-code drag-and-drop interface. It helps you do two main things: build a predictive model using your historical data, and score new applications to assist you in decision-making. Now let's dig into what the product can do for you. We have three main tabs. Scoring models. GiniMachine allows you to build an unlimited number of predictive models. This flexibility supports your growth and development, whether you offer new loan products, serving new borrower segments, or entering new markets. All the models you create are stored in this tab. To make it easier to find a specific model later, be sure to name each model according to its use case. Scoring history. This tab lists all previous scoring activities. It helps you prevent fraud during borrower assessment by providing an activity log that shows the time and date of each scoring event. Monitoring tab. Use this tab to monitor the performance of your models. If you observe any fluctuations in the expected rejection rate versus actual rejection rate, whether positive or negative, it may be time to reassess and potentially rebuild your model. To understand better when and how to do this, check out our video tutorial on YouTube channel. Now let's build our model. GiniMachine uses structured and labeled historical data, as you can see on the screen. The supported file formats are Excel and tab-delimited CSV. For tips on preparing your historical data, check out one of our previous videos linked in the video description below. Building a model on GiniMachine is a manual process. Simply upload your data and wait a few seconds. Once the training and testing step is complete, the system will provide a predictive model, performance indicators, and built-in data analysis. If you need help evaluating your model, watch our YouTube tutorials for guidance. After the model is built, you can edit its name or add it to favorites with just a few clicks. Remember, you can also export and import your model. This is super handy if you've got more than one GiniMachine instance deployed on-premise in your organization. It means your model can work on more applications at the same time, making things faster for you. And how do you actually evaluate your model's effectiveness? Here at GiniMachine, you can look at 4 pivotal metrics. Let's talk about them. Open model details, ROC-AUC chart or ROC-AUC index. It measures the predictive power of our model, true positive rate against false positive rate. How well the model can distinguish between two classes, defaulting and non-defaulting borrowers. KS score. It measures the difference in scores distributions between the good and bad classes. Gini Index. Borrowed from economics, this metric assesses our model's ability to distinguish between right outcomes. NPL Rate. An essential metric for portfolio evaluation. The non-performing loan rate gives us insight into the health of a loan portfolio. A lower NPL rate indicates a healthier portfolio, while a higher rate might signal potential risks. Now let's talk about the scoring calculation report. You can find it pushing the 3-dot button, pushing the download report button. This feature lets you download all the scores your model has made between any 2 dates you choose. The report will show you 4 key things: the date each score was made, the number of that scoring operation, the actual score, and who made the score. If you ever need to, you can delete your model. But keep this in mind. If your model has made even one score, you won't be able to delete it. You'll find all the scores made with this model right under the Model section in the collection history. Let's have a look at 3 dashboards on our screen. First up, the Gini Index dashboard. This shows you how well your model predicts outcomes. Wondering if your model's ready for business? Just look for the question mark icon. According to the industry standards, you may find what should be the Gini Index to consider this model as a ready one for a potential deployment or commercial use. You can also dive deeper into your data patterns by clicking on Model Details or via downloading an evaluation report for a detailed overview. Now let's talk about the rebuild buttons. These are for the train and test process. GiniMachine uses supervised machine learning. When you build a model, the system randomly splits your historical data. First, to explore your past loan approvals and their outcomes, like repaid or default. Second, to train your model and test how well it predicts. The first number in a rebuild is for the training set, and the second is for validation. You can change this to improve your model's accuracy. Want to know more? Check out our blog article linked below. Next, the Cutoff selection simulator. This helps you set the right cutoff point for scoring loan applications. Slide the bar the right or left to find the best acceptance, rejection, and NPL rates for your business. Not sure about your cutoff? Head over to the profit forecast chart in Model Details. Let's open it. Put the benefit of correct prediction, meaning how much you earn from every correctly approved application in a money equivalent, and your cost of mistake, how much you lose unfortunately if you predict an application incorrectly. The chart will show you how different cutoffs could affect your future profits. When you finish this, it's time to start scoring. You can do scoring manually or automatically through API integration. For manual scoring, just upload an Excel or CSV file with new loan applications. You can score applications one by one or in bulk. Once the scoring is done, you'll get detailed results. This includes the prediction for every application with its interpretation. This helps you understand how each factor influences the score, either positively colored in blue or negatively colored in red. And here's the best part. GiniMachine lets lenders work with different types of borrowers and comply with local anti-discrimination or predictive transparency policies. After deploying your model, don't forget to periodically run reports in the Monitoring tab. If you notice a negative trend in the expected rejection rate, that's your cue to rebuild your model using fresh historical data. There are many more problems that GiniMachine can solve. To explore all of its capabilities, feel free to utilize our support materials. Video tutorials are available within the product user interface. A how-to-use manual can be found in the product's footer. For information on automating scoring with your core system, consult our API documentation. Also, visit our YouTube channel, GiniMachine AI. Don't forget to also check out our blog and your email inbox, where you'll find practical recommendations for applying AI to your business. That's all for now. If you enjoyed using GiniMachine, but your trial period has ended, simply click the upgrade button, choose a tariff plan that suits you, and activate your subscription. If you have any questions or need clarification during the demo, feel free to reach out to us via the email provided in the video description. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a fantastic Gini day ahead. Bye!